Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris here with Kathy. We are Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What's Old video for you today. We're gonna follow Kathy around, see what we got.
Hey guys, alright, so AG, we sold a pair of shoes. So these are the brand 510, which I think is an Adidas like sub-brand. These I think are a skateboarding shoe, but most of their shoes are more like an outdoorsy hiking type shoe, I think. But anyways, I got these at Once Upon a Child on their 70% off sale, so I only paid $1.95 for them. And they sold for $34.76 plus the shipping, and they've only been listed less than a month for sure, maybe like 2 weeks. So yeah, that brand always sells well for me. Box N, another pair of shoes.
Far end over there.
Alright, so these are some Nike Kyrie sneakers. I also got these at Once Upon a Child for $8, and they sold for $30.41 free shipping. The shipping will be around $5 on these. They're about 13 ounces or so. Alright, and then CN, another pair of shoes. You guys, I love shoes. Alright, so I got a pair of saltwater sandals. These sold for $21.71 free shipping. I got these also at Once Upon a Child for, it was like $5 and some change after my discount, so not going to be a huge profit. They'll ship out around $3.50 or so. So maybe like an $8-9 profit on those. And then this was a funny sale that happened last night. It was Boxy Tee. It's those Ultra bras, but I sold 3 of them to the same person, so that was exciting. I still have a couple more left. Yeah, 2 more after this. So yeah, this person bought 3, and they paid $52.08 plus shipping. So these are all like 2 ounces each, and they paid like 10 something for shipping. So I'm gonna refund them most of that because these will ship out for like maybe $4 total. But yeah, so $52.08 plus shipping. I have about close to $4 in each bra, and yeah, pretty good little sale. And box AW, and I sold a bathing suit. So this is a Baby Bowden. It's like a little duck bathing suit. It is new with tags. I got this at Nordstrom Rack on one of their like clear the rack sale, so I only have $6 into it. Excuse me, and it sold for $23.95 free shipping. It'll ship out around $3.50. And then box AU, I sold another bundle, like 2 bundles on eBay. I never get bundles on eBay, so. So the first item is this tank top. The brand is Silly Sissy. I've never heard of that brand. I only bought it because it was 99 cents at Goodwill, so. And then this other item is just a Gymboree tank top in box DC. And I only bought this as well because it was 99 cents. So this buyer bought both. They paid $19.10 plus shipping. I think I had one listed as free ship and then one plus ship. So I probably won't refund the difference because, well, the free ship one was technically free ship. So I don't know. I'll see how much it costs, but yeah, they paid $19.10 plus shipping. They only paid like $3.09 or something for ship. So, and those will cost about $3.50 or so to ship out. So, yeah. And then sold a Victoria's Secret hoodie in box H. Alright, so this has been listed forever. Like, we used to like do our numbers like this. That's how you can tell how old it is. And we stopped doing that pretty much right away. Like doing the box and then a number, because we just realized we didn't need it.
We realize once you're searching for items, if you're narrowed down to like 10, 15 items, it's easy to find. You don't need the numbers.
Yeah. So anyways, I have $4.99 into this from Goodwill, and it only sold for $12.95 plus ship because that was an off-price set because I just wanted to get rid of it. So won't lose many, but not making a whole lot. Box AL sold a pair of Skechers. So these came from my stimulus check challenge. So from the bins, only have about $1 into them, and they sold for $20 free shipping. These are only about 8-9 ounces, so they'll ship out at a 12-ounce rate, which is like four something. Okay, whew. I thought I forgot to like write down where I put something, because I've been, anyways, they're right here on the desk. It's because I haven't bagged them yet. So these sold to a Instagram friend and viewer, Chelsea. So thank you so much, Chelsea. These were the Cynic sandals from our last bins haul. She just messaged me on Instagram and asked if she could buy them, and we did $15 free ship via PayPal. So she also lives in Colorado but up in Denver, so they are going to ship out probably only about $4 since she's close. They weigh about 10-11 ounces.
And that was the stimulus check bins haul. Yeah.
So only about $1 into them, and then $4 for ship. So it's not huge profit, but keeping the money rolling. And then this was another item I sold on Facebook through the buy sell trade on the Peak board. So this is a Peak Kids shirt. I actually got it from ThredUp for $6.99. I was gonna have it for my son, but it's a size 4-5, and he's 4, and he wears like a 4T. This technically fits him right now, but it's like kind of snug, so I just listed it and said it fits a little bit small. So I sold it for $20 free ship. I paid $6.99 for it, and shipping will be like $3.50 on that. So make a little profit there. So then box F sold a pair of play shoes. Alright, so these I got at a local thrift, my favorite thrift store, for 99 cents. They priced their kids' shoes so low. I got like 2 or 3 pairs of play this day for 99 cents each. So, they didn't sell as quickly as I thought they would, but I priced them a little bit high. I did $29.95 free ship. And shipping through those sold on Kitizen, the shipping is $5.75. So I make about $20 minus the $1 I spent. So pretty good little flip there. All right. And then I sold a pair of sandals. So these are some Old Navy Huarache sandals. These I got at Old Navy with like some Old Navy cash. I have $4 into them. I got several pairs. They sold for $19.95 free ship. Shipping is $3.85 on Kitizen, so I'll probably make an $8-9 profit off of those. All right. And then box E. I sold these little mini Melissa cat shoes, Mary Jane's. These I got from Once Upon a Child, so they were $6.50 minus the 20%, so like $5 and some change. Listed them at $35. Someone offered me $20 on Poshmark, and I just accepted because I just like to move stuff, and $10 profit is good with me. So yeah. All right. I feel like I'm getting all out of order. Snick. Okay, so box G. Another pair of shoes. Let's set them right here. So these are a pair of camo. I think this doesn't really look like camo. Is this camo?
Yeah, it's like a different, like a hunting camo kind of.
So yeah, these I also got at Once Upon a Child for $5 and some change. They sold on Mercari for $16 plus shipping. That was an offer someone sent me that I accepted. Alright, a couple more. Box AD. Right here. This is an Old Navy shirt, but it's Disney Lion King. It says Hakuna Matata. I bought this off Kitizen for my son a while back, but he never wore it, so I just listed it, and I think I paid $11 for it. And then someone offered me $9, plus they paid ship, so I accepted. So I'm losing a couple dollars, but that's okay. Alright, and then last but not least, box CU. So these Adidas from the bins that were from my stimulus check challenge as well. I don't remember what I listed them for, maybe 35 plus ship. Someone offered me 26, so I accepted that. Since I only have about $1 into them. So yeah, pretty good day here.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and get these all packed up and shipped and ready to go. All right, guys, we just finished packing up all of our orders. Those are ready to go out. Gotta stick a thumbnail pic still, but we have a few questions we're gonna run through. Kathy's gonna read them out loud.
All right, so From Debt to Wealth is asking, do you have best offer turned on all your items? So actually, no. I'm assuming you mean eBay, because I think the rest, people can just make offers if they want. But on eBay, I don't do best offer at all. I just price my item as what I want to get for it, what the comps are showing, and then I will sometimes send offers to watch. Well, I always send offers to watchers, but I don't accept offers, which doesn't stop people from messaging me every day with offers, but I just usually say, thanks for your interest, not at this time, or we're not accepting offers, or whatnot. But yeah, I really don't like offers on eBay, because I did try it for a while in the beginning, and just most of them were way too low, and I just don't like the back and forth. So. And
again, when somebody offers something and you accept, they don't have to pay right away, correct?
Oh yeah, that's true.
Which is kind of a big issue with us, because then it gives them a few days, and sometimes they don't pay.
Yeah.
And
it's
I think
the same when I send them an offer; they technically don't have to pay, but most of them do.
Yeah.
For some reason.
I think Ryan Roots just put a video out last week or something about that issue, and you can lose some big money that way, and that's why we have it turned off. We don't sell huge
and it's frustrating,
dollar items,
well, especially for us who cross post, because
if
it's sold, whether or not they've paid, I've had to delist it from all the platforms, so it's not getting sold again, and then I have to remember to relist it after, if they just don't pay after the 1 week or whatever that they're allowed.
I think it could be more useful if they required immediate payment after an offer
then I
was
probably
given.
would, at least on stuff that I got for super cheap, like bins items, or just random things that I'm just not sure. There's not a lot of comps, but for my average everyday kid shoes and stuff I sell, I know what it's going to sell for, and I don't really need to accept offers for those.
So great question, though.
Yeah. And then Goddess Threads is asking, where did you get those floral bags you're using for shipping? Great sales and videos. So I think she's referencing these guys.
Yeah.
These are my favorite poly mailers. So I'm running low. I think I have 2 100 packs left after this.
Our stash right here.
Because so these are from Shipping Hip. So we do have a discount code with them. It's Ginger15. That'll get you 15% off any of their stuff. Their 100 packs are $20 free ship, so $17 if you use our discount code. They don't have these florals anymore right now, though. They're sold out of them. When they had them, I bought 1,000 of them, and now we're down to 200. But that was last year, so. Yeah.
Same with these.
I know that they're always working on new prints. They this was actually a collaboration with what is it? The pigeon. The pigeon letters, so that's who made the print, and then Shipping Hip just turned it into a mailer. So the pigeon letters drew it out or whatever. So.
You guys can definitely go check them out on Instagram. She's a reseller, right? She's a small business.
I learned about them because there were 2 kiddizen moms that kind of started the company. So, and then I've always just liked their mailers even before we started working with them. Their mailers are really nice and thick. They do weigh 0.5 ounce, so I do like having some. We have some from Amazon that are 0.3 to 4, ones. Just in case sometimes you want to get your ounces down 0.1. So I do have little lighter ones, but these are my favorite. They're really thick. I haven't had any issues with them ripping or anything. So
definitely go give them a follow, and if you're looking to support a small business.
They might have the snowy mailers currently. I know they have arrows. They do have another floral. I think it's called their succulent print. So. And then they just came out with the peaches, and then they have a specific kiddizen mailer that says the future's handed down. So they have a lot, and I believe she said they're working on some more. So.
But if you find something you really love, definitely buy it when you can, because they don't keep.
They do sell out.
They don't keep the same patterns all the time, so kind of limited runs. But I don't know if they'll bring them back. I don't know.
I don't know, but I wish they would.
Yeah, maybe if we all
please bring
DM them on Instagram or something.
Alright, so Wonder Eve is asking, hey guys, always love your videos. I learned so much. I have a question regarding eBay. Do you automatically lower prices until sold? Thanks. So not really, but yet today I was actually doing that. So it's kind of funny. I want to get into doing that. So right now I'm working on, because our consignment sale is coming up, and I'm trying to get all my kids stuff that I want to take to that sale out of my inventory. So each day I'm gonna, like, right in the morning, first thing, anything that's ending within that calendar day, that day, whatever it's called, like by midnight that night, I'm just gonna end it. And then if it's going to the consignment sale, I'm not gonna relist it, obviously. And then even if it's not going to the consignment sale, those are the ones I'm going to relist, but I'm going to probably drop prices or at least switch something about the listing. Sometimes all you have to do is add another keyword in the title. Sometimes I'll go from free ship to paid ship, or paid ship to free ship, etc. So just changing something about each listing. But yeah, I do want to have a more like system where I feel like Lonnie at Garage Flip, Ship Flips has been doing that recently. He said he's like starting at this price, 30 days goes down.
Yeah, he does his through sales, right? So instead of using like an automatic, like how Mercari has the auto price dropping system, does eBay have the same thing?
I'm not sure.
If it does, we've never known or looked into it. But we typically just put up sales. But we really like how Lonnie does it, where he'll go, if something's older than 30 days, it's 10%. If it's older than 60 days, it's 15%, as an example. So the longer he's had an item, the higher his percentage is when he runs a sale. So
yeah, so I want to start doing that, because I don't want to be stuck with inventory for definitely more than 6 months. I mean, right now I just keep stuff till it sells, but I want to get away from that, and I'd like everything to sell in 90 days. I'm trying to get better at sourcing, and then if I'm bin sourcing, I'm totally fine with taking low prices, because we paid low prices. So.
Well, and that's another thing. Like a lot of the stuff that we've had for years, we wouldn't necessarily have sourced that today. Yeah. So clearing it out is beneficial, because it does clear out space. We are limited on inventory space, and that's one way to get our average cost of sales up, is by getting those things out of here. Yeah. Future cost of sales.
I know that I have at least 10 things I would be willing to just throw in the garbage at this point. So I probably will pull those out soon and just.
Did they bring you joy? We should just get rid of them, right? Marie Kondo them.
All right, and then last question is from Sandy Costa. She's asking, "Hey, love watching the both of you. I do have a question. I started selling on eBay and was curious on shipping. I saw your video where you're weighing and labeling your package, but how do you know the measurements of the packages? I feel like it takes me forever to package items up because I'm measuring them all. Is there a faster trick that I don't know of?" So I think she's referencing, Chris just put up a video with a small clip of us,
just going through weighing and putting stickers on and stuff.
Because we do eBay bulk ship now. So, I mean, like you can see, most of these are in poly mailers, which we know are 10 by 13. As long as you don't go over 6 inches deep, it's the same price. So I always just know it's 10 by 13. I usually just put 3 or 4 for like the depth, just even though it's usually like 1 inch. Yeah. So, and then we use a lot of the same boxes. Like this shoe box is something we use all the time. I know it's 15 by 8 by 6. So just from doing it a lot, you just kind of get to know the dimensions. I know the big box we use is 13 by 13 by 9. This is not a box I know. This is actually a regional grade box, which is
that's
going
for
on
Poshmark.
But so we don't.
Which we recently discovered. If you didn't know, you can use the regional A's and B's and stuff for Poshmark orders. It says it right on the label. I didn't know it. I
was just always afraid to have them here because I was like, well, I don't want to accidentally use it for eBay or something. But yeah, it's pretty obvious.
Well, I didn't
know. It's a regional rate A. So,
but I think
for the most part, we just know things like this random box right here. I would have had to pull out the measuring tape. Yeah. This brown box. So. Yeah, that day I must have just had them all being the
They were all very similar, yeah.
Yeah, and on eBay, like, when you're doing the bulk shipping, honestly, it doesn't even, like, for first class, at least, it doesn't ask you the dimensions, I don't think. If you're doing, like, 1 by 1, it does, but if you're just, like on first class, at least it doesn't, so, yeah.
I will say I'm just like you. If I didn't have Kathy here to do the shipping, I would be sitting here all day trying to figure it all out. Just because I don't do it every day like she does. I'm more of, the helper. Do this, do that kind of thing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the great questions. Hope you had a wonderful day. We are going to go ahead and get these off to the post office, go pick up Connor from school, and we're going to call it a day. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.